Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you on aeroplane mode in iPhone guys. You want to on aeroplane mode in iPhone, so guys you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on aeroplane mode in iPhone guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching a video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video guys. First of all, come in your phone setting, and guys first one guys, you can say your aeroplane mode. So guys, you can on from here guys. So guys, aeroplane mode will on in our iPhone guys. Then guys, you cannot use your mobile data and guys like that this net, and guys no, you cannot use your phone, like you cannot call someone, and guys your friend and your relative, they cannot call you. So I hope friends you have understood how to on aeroplane mode in iPhone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.